If you have not joined this business, you are missing out. There's a security, a safety in this business, because we only give permission to Utrading to read and trade for us. Hey guys, it's NX Billionaires. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bind Utrading software to OKX exchanger platform. So you gotta have your OKX opened, then you go to your left top corner, these 9 dots on your phone, just click there, and you search all the way down, scroll all the way down, there's something that says API there, click on that one, and now I'm gonna click on create API key. Make sure that you are also on Utrading, go to AP binding, click on OKX import, and now we're gonna copy the key, the trust IPs, the IPs that are listed here. Just click on copy. You might not see it. Just if you see it, click on copy, and once you copy, you're gonna bring that key to somewhere here. I will show you soon. Let's go back to our OKX. We're gonna create, put a name here. Let's name it UTradeX. You can rename it anything. Here it's gonna be your phrase, your password to this one. I will change this one later. Let me just use it for now. This one for the purpose of this tutorial. Once you're here, then you're gonna paste that keys that you copied from Utrading. Let's paste that one here. Oh no, it's not this one. Let's copy that key here. Copy, and just gonna bring down here. You click on copy. You can see there. Yeah, you can see that. And then once we're done this one, you see here it says read. That's the best thing that I want to hear about this Utrading or this binding, this key binding. So you can only give permission. See it says the permissions. So the Utrading software will only be able to read but no withdraw. Let's click on withdraw. Ooh, that's bad. That's bad. Don't click on that. Please don't click on that. Take that one off. Because if you do that, that means you are giving a permission to Utrading to withdraw money on your behalf, which we don't want to do that. We want to keep money in our pockets, right? Now click on trade. We also want to give permission for this Utrading to read the data from our OKX exchanger, and also be able to trade on our behalf, right? So now click OK. Once you click OK, they will send you a code to your phone, whatever authentication you use. Just get the code. That one's for my phone. There it is. And also in my email, I'm gonna go into my email as well. Get this code that they just sent to me. There it is. It's coming up there. I will copy this one. Copy the key. The code, and come back to OKX. Then paste it here in what it says email authentication. Once done, we click OK. Oh, my bad. Is it invalid? What happened? Verification invalid. Okay. Maybe I copied the wrong one. Let me see. The new one is this one. Okay, my bad. Copy this one. That was the old one. Okay. We're gonna come back and paste it here. Yeah, there we go. Then click OK. Once we click OK, we get this page. Now, this is where the magic comes. For me, I'm using 2 phones. You can also use 1 phone if you want. And now we're gonna go into Utrading app where we left it before, where it says API key, which is the top one here, which I'm gonna change soon. We do it. So if you have 2 phones, just point the thing on the screen. It will copy everything, as you can see here in my thing. And also I'm gonna go for the secret key. I'm just gonna click on this button here where it says scan. Just point on it, it copies it, and then the phrase, it will be the one I created there is the password. All right. So click that phrase there, and once we're done, what you're gonna do, I will change everything, guys. Don't worry, I will change everything. I will do this one and change everything. All right. Once we're done, on OKX is done, we're gonna click import. All right. Click import. All done. Now we can see we have the Utrading binded to OKX. So this is how it's done, guys. But I want you to remember that where you give permission to the Utrading via your exchanger. This is the same thing as BINANCE, same thing as Bybit, same thing as HT Global, same thing as Kraken. Whatever, when you're binding, do not give permission to this Utrading to withdraw. Just give it permission to read and trade for you. That's what we need only in this instance. All right, guys. Once again, appreciate your time. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment and like this video and share to those who need to ban the Utrading to their own exchanger. Also, if you have not joined this business, you are missing out. As you have seen through this video, there is a security, a safety in this business, because we only give permission to Utrading to read and trade for us. We're not giving a permission to it to withdraw. Please, guys, if you haven't think of this business, think it twice. Some people will tell you, oh, it's a scammer. You can go online and say, people will say different things. But for us who are in the business, we know what the business looks like and how it works, because we know the security of this business. I'm not saying that it's 100% guaranteed to be living forever. Anything can happen, because it's, and by the way, it's a trading, it's trading. So trading, anything can go up and down. It's a market. Anything can happen. The company can go bankruptcy, can have this and that. But I'm saying this, for now, everything is actually working properly, and you have seen the safetyness of these two apps when you're binding them together. When you are ready to trade, you're gonna put money in your exchanger, not in Utrading. So let's say here, once I get this account verified, I will come here and I will deposit money, which you see here it says deposit. I will go here and deposit my capital here. Once I'm done depositing the money in here, then the API, the Utrading will be able to read the data from this OKX and be able to trade for me. So guys, what can I say? How can I explain to you to understand? I don't know. But what I'm saying is this one. You will need to put capital in your exchanger and then buy UGAS, which is the data to run your robot, your AI, right? You're gonna do that, guys. That once you've done that, everything's ready to go for you automatically. You don't need to do anything. There's an option to run this trading automatically, fully automatic. So please, let's do this, guys. I'm waiting for you in the business, and I can't wait to see you enjoying the same features and the same profits and the benefits that we are enjoying in this beautiful platform. I appreciate your time. Once again, share this video, like and comment. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.